How to create a collage on Pinterest. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start right in without wasting any time. First of all, open up Pinterest. Now tap on the plus icon at the bottom center. Now click on Collage. If you want to add photos from Pinterest, tap on the plus icon. Now select the photo. Now click on Add. If you want to add photo from your gallery app, select the gallery icon and select your photo. Now click on Add. Now drag the photo to reposition it. Now at the top right corner, tap on the next icon to save. Now tap on Publish to publish your photo. So that's it. Thanks for watching and make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. This is Max signing off until next time.